On Monday, PW headed to Hatboro Horsham with a chance to clinch a share of the league championship. The last time these two teams faced off, it took 9 innings and some late-game heroics for a Colonials win. The Colonials came out of the gate hot and scored in 5 of the first 6 innings. The team was on a roll and played their brand of baseball. Heading into the bottom of the 7th, the Colonials led 6-2 and were 3 outs away from clinching a share of the SOL Liberty division. The Hatters' bats exploded as they were able to plate 4 runs and tie the game at 6. In extra innings, the Colonials were unable to muster up any runs, and the Hatters were 1 run away from knocking down the first-place Colonials. With the single to right, the Hatters handed PW their first loss of the season in a game the team will not forget. After Monday's battle, the Colonials headed home with another shot to clinch a share of the league title against Upper Dublin. PW came out of the gate slow in this one and trailed 5-0 after just 3 innings. Despite a solid performance by the bullpen, the Colonials lost another game and dropped to 15-2 on the season. After back-to-back losses, the Colonials still control their own fate with a matchup against the number 2 team in the league, the Abington Ghosts. A win gives PW the outright league championship, while a loss puts them in a tie atop the division. In the Colonials' most important game of the season, they rose to the occasion. Things looked shaky in the top of the first, but junior Alex Wilkie-Vicia was able to get out of the inning unscathed. At the bottom of the first, Joe Jakonski bounced back from a recent slump and hit a leadoff home run for the Colonials to capture the momentum. Once the Colonials took the lead, they never looked back and played an all-around great game. Alex Wilkie-Vicia tossed 5 innings, only allowing 1 run, and a single in the bottom of the 5th by senior Anthony Viola was able to seal the deal. This win for the Colonials clinches their 2nd straight league championship and gives them a huge morale boost heading into the last week of the season. Senior captain Joe Jakonski shared his thoughts about this huge win.
This was a very rough week for us. We lost Monday to Hatboro and Wednesday to Upper Dublin. Winning the division is very big for us because I think it pushes us harder going into districts. But we still need to come back out on Tuesday and get the job done because this division's not done yet. We still have 1 more game. So winning division's definitely big, but we still got more work to do.
Head coach Christopher Monero added in his thoughts as well.
But, you know, it's an up and down season any year, and most of our year has been an up. But this week, we went down a little bit, and I don't have to say much to these guys because they know what they need to do. They picked themselves up, and I think, Monday was tough, losing game in extra innings. Wednesday we came out and we weren't good. We were flat, right? But they knew, they wanted it, they were focused, they took over. And as a head coach, you want to say, what can I say to these guys? How can we practice? What can we do? But honestly, with this team this week, they didn't need much. They just needed to get out, get back, get to work, and they showed it today.
The Colonials have 1 more week in the regular season before they head into the District 1 playoffs.